Hey guys, welcome back. There is information on Samsung working on a next generation high-end tablets with the model number SM-T860 and SM-T865. These will probably be variants of the Galaxy Tab S5, and if you look closely, the model numbers are in line with the previous flagship tablet S4. The SM-T865 variant has now been surfaced on Geekbench, confirming that it will indeed have flagship grade specifications. But before that, let me tell you, the last time Samsung updated their tablet lineup was in February, which revealed Tab S5e, which per se is not a flagship device. The last true flagship tablet was Tablet S4, which was launched in August of 2018 with Snapdragon 835 processor. So it seems this August we might get to see this tablet, which will probably be called Galaxy Tab S5. Now let's dive into the specs of SM-T865. The Geekbench listing reveals the upcoming high-end tablet from Samsung will be powered by a 7nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset under the hood. In terms of memory, the tablet will include 6GB of RAM and will come with Android Pie operating system, and obviously will be shipped with Samsung's One UI. As far as benchmark scores go, you can see that single core score is 3506 and multi-core score is 9788. Samsung's last flagship Android tablet, the Galaxy Tab S4 and the mid-range S5e tablet featured a 10.5-inch 1600x2560 pixel resolution display, which is Samsung's industry-leading Super AMOLED display. But the upcoming tablet will have a smaller bezel-like tablet S5e. Currently, the storage configuration is unknown, but looking at previous models, it will feature 2 storage variant with microSD card support. And for security, it will get a face unlock and fingerprint sensor. And probably you will get S Pen with this tablet. Other than that, nothing much is known right now. So if you are out and searching for Android tablet, then hold your thoughts and wait until Galaxy Tab S5 is launched, which I think isn't far away. With that, we are at the end of this video. Stay subscribed and see you in the next one. Peace out.